Polyester. Imported. The adult camping chair, the sports chair with side table by Oniva, a picnic time brand, is a lightweight, outdoor folding chair with sturdy aluminum frame made to withstand some heavy, grown-up relaxing. Features galore. The accessories panel on this picnic chair offers a variety of pockets to hold personal items, an insulated bottled beverage pouch, zippered security pocket, and a sturdy side table that folds out. Size matters. The extra-wide seat of this beach chair for adults is 19 inches across, made of durable polyester canvas with padded armrests, and boasts a 300 pounds weight capacity. Take it anywhere, no more awkward carries. This portable travel chair has an adjustable shoulder strap plus 2 handles for easy transport at the beach, the park, the campground, the lawn, anywhere. Built to last. Lifetime guarantee. Product quality backed by the Picnic Time family of brands, a family-owned business in California. Top reviews from the United States. I love my Picnic Time chairs, but this one has a new feature. I have several Picnic Time chairs that I bought at dog shows from an embroidery service, and I've had them both since 2007. They are extremely durable and great to sit in for hours on end as I shoot candid dog show photography. They have been well used and hold up amazingly. They are everywhere at the dog shows. I also use them inside the house when I have guests, and everyone finds them comfortable. Yesterday, I saw a new model that has a loop to hold an umbrella, and a little Velcro strap near the bottom of the chair leg to lend support, especially if you don't stick it in the ground. I have several dog shows in the next week that are outdoors, and we are not only having a heat wave, but very high UV, 10. I'm so glad I found out about this. It's time to get one.